Good evening. Tonight's very important debate topic: what should we eat for dinner tonight? Secretary Clinton, you go first.
Thank you. Tonight's dinner choice is about balance, nutrition, and bringing people together. I propose a well-thought-out meal, perhaps grilled salmon, seasonal vegetables, maybe a sensible quinoa salad.
Wrong, totally wrong. Nobody wants quinoa, Hillary. Believe me, I've asked people, tremendous people, they hate it.
As I was saying, something healthy, sustainable, and inclusive dinner should reflect.
Inclusive dinner doesn't want to be inclusive, Hillary. Dinner wants to be delicious. Okay, and salmon, very overrated fish, said fish.
Mr. Trump, you'll have time.
I'm already having time. I'm doing great.
Look, Donald, not everything has to be fried and wrapped in gold foil.
First of all, gold foil, very classy. Second of all, fried food built this country. Okay, burgers, fries, big, beautiful steaks. You don't win elections with salmon, Hillary.
We are not electing a dinner.
That's what you think.
Secretary Clinton, please continue.
Thank you. The American pupil at the end of a long day deserve a meal that makes them feel good, not sluggish. Something that says, I care about my body.
Your body's very confused right now.
Excuse me.
If your buddy wanted quinoa, it would say so. Buddies don't say quinoa. They say pizza. They shout pizza.
Donald, pizza every night is irresponsible.
I've had pizza many nights, very successful nights, some of my best nights.
Let's stay on topic.
I am the topic, and the topic is dinner, and dinner should be pizza or burgers or pizza burgers. We're working on it.
Of course you are.
And let me tell you something, your salmon cold, boring. Nobody's excited. My dinner, people are chanting, USA, USA.
People have never chanted during dinner.
They will, under my dinner plan.
Well, my plan includes variety, maybe one night pasta, another night stir-free.
Stir-fry, too much stirring. We don't have time. People are busy.
You literally spend hours tweeting.
Very efficient tweeting about food sometimes.
Final statements. Secretary Clinton.
Dinner should nourish us, bring us together, and help us wake up tomorrow feeling ready to face the world.
Sounds exhausting.
Mr. Trump.
Dinner should be huge, maybe a little messy. You should look at it and say, well, that's what I bring to the table. Literally. Also dessert. Hillary didn't mention dessert. Very suspicious.
Dessert is earned.
I earn it every night.
And we're out of time. Please go eat something.
Before you go, one last thing. Very important. Hit subscribe. Support the channel. Together, we're going to make this channel great again. Believe me.